it's changed everything because I am ashamed to say I've had an experience. A near death experience. I was dead on arrival, and I know. But I became so angry at God because nothing worked, and I felt like if I have to suffer, then just take me because I'm not helping anybody. I'm harming everyone. I'm miserable, and I a sole provider, and I couldn't provide for myself, let alone my son who needed me now more than ever. And spiritually, I was lost. I would try to read the Bible. My brain was racing so much. My eyes couldn't focus on it or whatever. I would do spiritual things, meditation, right? Everything that I knew, the tools that I had, nothing worked. And I was lost. And so now, overnight, literally overnight, that night I was able to pray a consistent prayer and stay focused. I was able to like go, okay, I can see the pieces of the puzzle, how what I thought was an awful experience that happened to me a few months ago, and how those pieces of the puzzle came together in order for me to get this treatment. And so now it's like the gratitude and in losing a job, the gratitude and getting a new job where they support this 100%. They love what's happening. They see me healing. They love that, and the excitement is if it could work for Jamie, it can work for anybody. And that's where I'm excited. I'm like, this is now my new passion. It's always going to be for substance use and trauma and mental health and helping others. But this is like, to me, for somebody who's been through everything, talk therapy, I've done it all, like all. And my ex-husband spent a fortune. And this in one moment has helped all of those areas. The trauma thinking and the nightmares, the horrific nightmares that I don't even know how my brain could think of such horrific things that was happening when I finally did sleep were so horrific it made me afraid to fall asleep. And now I haven't had one of those, not one.